it's time to install the Ecomus theme. It's a premium theme and costs around $88. After you've purchased it, you'll receive a downloadable zip file with all the theme assets and instructions. Unzip the theme folder on your computer first. Inside, you'll see the zip file you'll need to upload. Next, go to your Shopify dashboard and in the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. This will bring you to the Themes section. From here, scroll down and click on the Add Theme button, then Upload Zip File. A new window will pop up. Go ahead and click Add File. Now, navigate to the folder you extracted earlier and select the zip file that contains the theme. It's important to choose the zip file itself, not the entire folder. Once selected, click Upload File. The upload process may take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, the theme will appear in your theme library, ready to customize. Now click Customize to launch the theme editor. Before you can publish it, you'll need to activate the theme using the license key you received after your purchase. To do this, click the gear icon, that's the settings, on the left side of the theme editor. Then expand the Theme Active section and paste your license key into the field provided to activate the theme. After activation, you'll need to publish it to make it your main theme. Just click Save. Then hit Publish. A new window will appear. Go ahead and click Save and Publish to confirm and make it your main theme. Once the theme is active, we're ready to access the demo templates. To do that, we'll need to install the Ecomus app from the Shopify App Store. From your Shopify dashboard, under the Apps section in the left-hand menu, click Add Apps. Now here's a quick note. Ecomus won't show up in the recommended list, and that's totally normal. Just scroll all the way down until you see Shopify App Store, and click on that. Once the App Store opens in a new tab, go to the search bar and type in Ecomus. Select the one called Ecomus Upsell and Bundles. Then hit Install. You'll be redirected back to Shopify. Click Install one more time to confirm. Before you can access the demo templates, you'll need to enable the app embed first. To do that, head to the theme editor, then click on App Embeds from the left-hand panel. Look for Ecomus in the list and make sure all the toggle switches are turned on. Once they're enabled, click Save to apply the changes. After that, go back to the Shopify dashboard. Browse through the available demo templates and preview the ones that stand out to you. Once you've found a design that fits your brand, click Select, check the checkbox that appears, and then click Import Demo. When the demo is fully imported, go ahead and click Customize to open the theme editor. From here, you can start tailoring the layout, colors, images, and text to match your brand perfectly.